Guys, we gather here today to talk about sentence and the formation of sentence. In this video I will try to make you understand formation of sentence, how sentence is created and how it is used. So let's start sentence.
Here this is sentence. Sentence का actual mean होता है वाक्य. Whatever we say in English, whatever we speak in English or write in English, they are generally sentence. And we can say about sentence that a complete, or you can say that the group of word which makes a complete sense is known as sentence. So I told you that whatever we say in English, they are generally sentence. For example, we went London. You help hurry. Both are sentence and both are group of word. In this sentence, one, two, three words. In this sentence, three words. And you can add some words also. You help hurry with money. Here you will see that there are five words. So the group of word which makes a complete sense is called sentence. And if we arrange this word in uh, something like this: help you with hurry money. This is also group of word, and but this is not a sentence because it has not any meaning, so you can say that it is a wrong sentence. Actually it is not a sentence. Now I will tell you that group kinds of sentence. There are main four kinds of sentence. First of all, statement, which is also called declarative. Second, questions. Third, imperative. And exclamatory. In my next video I will explain all of these: statement, question, imperative and exclamatory. But today we are only talking about the formation of sentence. So skip this and see here what can we do about sentence. In sentence, the formation of sentence. The sentence has two main parts. First of all, subject. Second, predicate. All sentence must have subject and predicate. In some sentence there is lack of subject, but there is also other way to find the subject or make subject. But consider one thing, that every sentence has subject and predicate. They know what is subject and predicate. For example, I take an example that Mahatma Gandhi was great. In this sentence, Mahatma Gandhi is subject and great, you can say that was great, predicate. Here subject means subject explain the something about the sentence, and predicate explain something about the subject.
This sentence belongs to Mahatma Gandhi. In this sentence, it was said that Mahatma Gandhi was great. So this sentence belongs to Mahatma Gandhi. So Mahatma Gandhi is a subject. And what about Mahatma Gandhi? Mahatma Gandhi was great. That was great is predicate. That's it. But in sentence, you can see a lot of things. For example, we should always help poor. In this subject, we is subject and should always help poor is predicate. In predicate, subject is, yes, should is helping verb. Always is adjective. Help is main verb and poor is also adjective. Sometimes it is considered as noun also. So in a sentence, there are a lot of things you should understand. I have taken another example. William was a smart boy. In this sentence, William is subject and was a smart boy is predicate. But was is helping verb and smart boy you can consider as an object. So it is subject and it is helping verb and it is object. Object can be one, two, and more than two. One then more than one. Now I will uh, show you the forms of sentence. There are 6 forms of sentence. First of all, affirmative sentence. Second, negative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative negative sentence. Double interrogative sentence. And then double interrogative negative sentence. Now see here, a sentence has 6 forms. It can be sentence. A sentence can be written in 6 forms, and what we speak in English or write in English belongs to a form. So here forms means you can say that roop, vakya roop. Sentence can be written in 6 forms. First of all, affirmative sentence, negative sentence. Second, third interrogative sentence, fourth interrogative negative sentence, fifth double interrogative sentence, and sixth double interrogative negative sentence.